What are the common mistakes investors make in a debt mutual fund? Does past performance matter in debt mutual fund? To assist you with these areas of investment choices, we have our industry expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Hariharan, the screen is all yours.
Don't focus again on past return. In debt mutual fund, past return has no significance. In equity, I can extrapolate. In debt, it is irrelevant because dynamics are extremely different in debt mutual fund. So past performance, that fund has delivered 12% in the last 6 months, 1 year, has no connection to your performance in the future, right? So past can be extremely misleading. The better indicator to use in debt mutual fund is the concept of YTM, which is yield to maturity. Second mistake that people do in debt is to ignore the interest rate risk and the duration of the fund. As I gave the example while explaining that house, interest rates are expected to come down. Some category of funds will do well. If interest rates go up, those categories will underperform, you will face capital loss. So that interest rate risk has to be factored in before you select that mutual fund. Credit profile, again, important. Just don't blindly look at YTM and say that this fund has the highest YTM, let me invest. No. YTM can go up because of poor quality of papers. So if the fund manager has compromised on the quality of paper, the YTMs can go up. It can be misleading, and people got stuck in such kind of funds in the past. Okay. Odd mentality, again, you are different. Our five fingers are not the same. Your investment goal is different. Your investment time horizon is different. Therefore, your risk appetite is different. And therefore, your investment cannot be same as somebody else. Don't follow odd mentality that some Suresh in my office has done it, let me also do it. No. Right?
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.